Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's great to be back with you once again here on a Thursday morning, November the 14th, and we're green again. We're up again. Now, there is only one question I want to ask this morning, and everybody is thinking the same thing. We are all thinking the same thing. I am up today. Is Mike up today? Mike, tell me, are you up? You should be up today, 0.12. 0.12. You should be up by 0.12 today. I'm up double that because I'm in margin. I get it, but you should be up 0.12 because if you're in VU, you should be up 0.12. We all want to know it, don't we? We all want to know it. Has Mike got his phone upside down still? Or is he actually seeing it as it is? All right, so let's see. Is Mike up 0.12? That's the question of the day, and that's what I want to know. All right, so please welcome everybody. Please click subscribe and ring the bell and tap the like button on the way in. We're trying to grow the best, most live, most honest, most real YouTube TV show in the world. That's what this is all about. So I'm up today. My Roth is up today, and we are at $131,283. Fantastic. We've still got more good news piling in. How can you be down? I give up. Mike sold his Tilray, bought the S&P 500, just to be like me, because we're mates. And I said, stop losing money, start winning every day. And he's down. Mike, you're not reading it properly. It doesn't matter where you bought it, right? Overall, you might be down. I understand overall you might be down because you bought it just before it dropped a little bit. I understand that. But what I'm saying is your day position has to be up because the S&P is up. Look, if I look at the S&P today, the very stock that you own, it's up, as I said, and I just guessed that because I worked it out from my margin, is 0.12. All right, I'm up 0.24 because I'm double because of margin, right? 0.12. You should be up 0.12. No matter your overall position, that is down because you bought it when it was down higher. I understand that, but you are up today. 3 days in a row. You should be up. You should be feeling good because you are up. Now, if you're all wondering, why am I spending so much time talking to one person, Mike? Because one person is the whole show. One person is everything, all right? It's all about one person, all right? Everybody is an individual and everyone's important, right? And I want to make a difference today to Mike in putting him straight because right now we're not putting him straight. He's confused, and we've got to end this confusedness because it's doing my head in, to be quite honestly. All right. Anyway, let's read the comments. So Lawrence Teo is here from Singapore. Good morning to you. Hi, everyone. Good day, Mike. Good morning. Good morning. Christopher Shaw's here. Good morning. Our postman. How's the post doing today? We love it. The post in England today, the Royal Mail. We love it. God save the King. I love it. Good day, all. Mike, I'd recommend the book I'm reading, How to Own the World. No. Christopher Shaw, that ain't the book you want to recommend. It's, Mike, I'd like to recommend a book, How to Stand on Your Head or Turn Your Phone the Right Way Round. He keeps saying he's down. Every day the S&P's been up since he's bought it, but yet he's down every day. It makes no bloody sense. He can't be down 1.09. It's impossible. Good morning. It doesn't matter what your average is, Mike. Stop telling me nonsense. Good morning, everyone. Octavio, good morning. I want to apologize for yesterday. Sensei, as you know, I was very busy yesterday, and Sensei came in to try and, infiltrate the show to promote his Sunday show, which is fine because it's on my channel, Fair enough, isn't it, really? It's not a conflict of interest, is it, really? Sensei doing well on Sunday. But anyway, he asked me to look at the ARK the ARC ETF, and I was in the middle of that stuff, so I did it very quickly, and I didn't open up the full portfolio, and there was about 35, 40 stocks in that portfolio, not just the 9 that I said. But I stand by what I say, though. It's still too expensive, and ARK Invest, I don't trust Cathie Wood. Cathie Wood is your manager. She's the one you're paying to manage your funds. Do you trust what she's doing? I don't. I'm not a fan. As simple as that. I'm not a fan of ARK. I used to be interested in it until I learned more about Cathie Wood, and I realised Cathie Wood is for Cathie Wood. So I can't say it's of any interest to me. I'd rather buy the stocks individually than be held ransom when she decides to dump Tesla when everybody else is, when it's going up. She's always getting it wrong. Anyway, Martin, aside from the obvious growth you've made in the S&P last year, is the S&P value worse than it was then when you got in on a PE ratio? No, it's actually better value right now, because the stocks that are in it, the ones that are moving it, are actually improving. And like I said before, Nvidia, even though it's going up, its forward PE ratio is good. So no, it's still good. It's not overbought, in my opinion. All right. Anyway, turn your phone right side up. Good morning, everybody. James 007, there you go. Good morning, Stacey. Good day, James 007. I bought 550, so I'm down on VU. Mike, I shall say again, listen very carefully. I know you're getting old now, and when you joined this show, you were a young man. I know it's taken a toll on you, but listen to me, Mike. The question is, I said, are you up today? Today, on the day. I'm not saying, are you up overall, Mike? I'm saying, are you up today? Now then, you won't be up today now, because you took too bloody long to get it straight, because the S&P is down today now, 0.02, but you will be down 0.01, because I'm exaggerating the down and I exaggerate the up because of margin. So without looking, I can predict that. So if I go and look at the S&P, I can see I am down 0.02. When it's a very small amount like that, it might not share the 0.1. But anyway, let's have a look. The S&P, yeah, let's see, it's showing 0.02. You're probably down 0.01, but it doesn't matter. It's somewhere between the 0.01 and 0.02. So that's where you should be, right? You should be down today 0.02. 5 minutes ago, we were up, and you could have said, yes, I'm up today. But you chose to go down the rabbit hole of nonsenseness. Anyway, drink more tea. I've got my tea here this morning, actually. Yeah. Oh, lovely, lovely cup of tea. I ordered myself a James 007 shirt. I'll post it when I get it. Love it. Poor Sensei. Yeah. I always deliver, mate. Too many newbies joining us, but it's just noise. Come January, normality will resume, and I'll have disposable amount to invest again. However, I have 125 a week automated in. Fantastic. Don't you're $125 a week to go in. Yeah, but don't buy the S&P automatically. Don't do that. If that's what you're saying, that's what a lot of employed people do. They buy weekly, they buy monthly, and overall it's okay, because it's better, because it takes away the human element of being lazy and not actually doing it. However, if you are not lazy and you want to be active, not passive, put the money in, wait for the dips. You see, I use my margin like my real money, because it is my real money, even though it's somebody else's. So what I mean by that is, I haven't bought for about a month now. I bought 10 shares about a month ago when we had that dip. If I'd had money coming in every week, every month, which I am manually, but it was auto set to buy the S&P, I'd be buying at the wrong time. There's never a wrong time to buy it long term. However, you can do yourself a big favor by waiting for a pullback when everything's run and run and run. Don't just buy on the way up, buy the dip on the way down. Long term, will it make a lot of difference over 20, 30 years? Maybe. It depends. If you are just buying it on your brokerage and not actually trading it, probably not that much difference, but you will still get a better deal. It's obvious. Imagine every month, everybody gets paid on, I don't know, like my wife, every month she gets paid and she pays into the 401k automatically. Well, what at the end of the month, the market rallies and she buys the top price? Well, 20, 30 years from now, it doesn't really matter. She's up, but she could have got a 2 or 3% discount every time she did it if she just dipped in between. So just manually do that. That's what I do. So if I had no margin, if I was at zero, I'd be putting money in cash, waiting for a little dip, and then just buying, consistently buying, but waiting for that little moment to always get a slightly better deal. Not the best price. The best price was 100 years ago, right? But a slightly better price than it is at that moment. But if it's margin I'm using, then I'm waiting for big dips because I'm already in with my own money. I haven't got any more of my own money. I'm concentrating on now and paying margin off at that 5% rate, which is the focus. However, if the stock market drops like it did a few weeks ago, 4-5%, which is a lot on the S&P, then I use margin again. And as we start running again, I just stop doing it and just keep concentrating on earning money on YouTube and paying my margin down again. That strategy keeps going on. However, on my Roth IRA, completely different strategy. In October, I traded 19 times. Now then, I did 19 trades, 19 wins. I would be trading again on my IRA, but I'm currently in a trade at the moment. I'm currently in, and I don't ever sell for losses. No reason to ever sell for losses with my setup, my portfolio. So I bought Coca-Cola, recognizing it was under attack. It went further down, so I didn't buy the bottom. Am I upset? No, it's gone down another 5.48. It's quite a drop, right? 1,500. Am I bothered? Am I Eckers-like? Doesn't matter to me because over the year, I'm going to have $800 back just in dividends. In fact, over $200 each time. So I'm going to get half of that money back just by holding it for a year. Now, the point is, in January the 1st, that's soon, that's just around the corner now, 6 weeks away. If once the IRA opens up, 31st of December, midnight, 1st of January, I'll transfer $8,000. If that's the allocation, it may be 8.5 from my main account on margin. I will then get a 3% match. So that actual 8% will actually only cost me. That 5% will actually only cost me 2% because I'll get 3% back. I will then immediately buy Coca-Cola, not wait for the morning because it trades 24 hours a day. As long as the 1st of January is a weekday, I will buy Coca-Cola and bring that average down. Now you can see it's been going down for the last week or so. I've been waiting. Sometimes just because you can trade doesn't mean you should trade. Just wait, have patience. We can see at the moment the trend is your friend. The trend is Coca-Cola is still going down. It hasn't bottomed out yet. It's trying to consolidate, but it's still bottoming out. Now we know it's a great business and it's getting too cheap. All of a sudden it's going to get bought up. Now it might end up suddenly spiking up before I get that bottom. It doesn't matter because if it does, it'll be instantly up and it'll outperform the S&P at that point because the S&P is starting to slow down. You may have noticed that. It's exactly as we said. So if it does go up, but before the 1st of January, it doesn't matter. If it's the same, I'll still buy some more. If it's more, I won't. If it's more, I won't. I will still transfer $8,000, but at that point, I'll be looking for an entry point back into the S&P. And when I do get a profit from Coca-Cola, I will sell it and buy the S&P once again. So that's my strategy. That's where we are right now. Anyway, let's carry on. Good work, Stacy. Margin, Val, margin. What about it? What about it? I trust Tom Lee more than absolutely. from Funstrat. I like Tom Lee, actually. He's very knowledgeable. But yeah, Kathy Wood is just all out. I don't know. I don't like the woman at all. I have to say, I don't like the woman at all. I find Tom Lee very interesting. Tom Lee's information is virtually always correct and very useful, and I do pay a lot of attention to what he says. But, you know, don't take everybody's word for everything. You know, people are, manipulating the market. It's the way it works when you're at the top. Good morning, family. David Dewan, welcome to the family. David, love to have you here. Hi, says Tim Rogers. Please check out Savage Faith Creation for the designer gear. Do it now. Good morning, Martin. Cheers, Martin. Cheers, Lucas Aids. Good. Looks like Spirit Air is headed into bankruptcy. Yes, I wouldn't buy an airline, which always worries me about Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is the future airlines, right? It's always a worry. Airlines are a very risky company. I know Virgin Galactic is not an airline, but it is the airlines of the future, right? PPI, 0.2, up 0.1 from previous. PPI, let me cover that. I missed that today, didn't I? How can I miss PPI? Let's check in with the news a minute.
You see this going, but also what is the significance of this in the context?
I know I'm getting crackling on the audio. I don't know why I'm getting crackling on that audio. I apologize. My CNBC, that's why I'm not using it as much at the moment. I'm not able to work out where this crackling is coming from. I will fix it, but I always fix it, but I don't know where it is. Yeah, PPI. This is important. Core prices. It was expected. So it was expected. Jobless claims 217, 221. Expected 223. So less jobless claims. So the economy is still hot. Continuing jobless claims. That's okay. Core 3.1. Year on year compared to 3. Yeah, prices are rising. The annual core producer inflation in the United States excludes prices for food and energy rose to 3.1 in October 24, following upwardly revised 2.9 in the prior month and slightly above market forecast of 3. Okay, so like I said yesterday, there is a fear. So I already identified this before they reported it, which makes me a genius, right? PPI inflation is a little bit of a fear. And if you're going, oh, yeah, it's easy to say after the fact. Everyone can say they knew it after the fact. Well, no, I actually knew it before. And if you see here, I did try to tell people. I did say it. I love when I get it right. Told you so. Anyway, we've got this fear about inflation re-emerging. Don't get too carried away. Don't get too excited. People on YouTube now are already saying the markets are going to crash and we're going to go back into a recession. And we didn't even go into recession the first time. But anyway, there's all that kind of issue popping up. And I said it's good for NVIDIA, which it is, by the way. But anyway, there's the inflation fear. I talked about it. There's another one. Inflation scare. Okay. So... yeah, I already did it. I'm a genius. See that? I already knew it. I tell you what, a scary thought and a scary thing in a minute I'm going to show you. You're not going to believe it. You're not going to believe it. Well, you are. But anyway, SoundHound rally for the end of the week. That would be nice, wouldn't it? What did I say yesterday? I put out... I've got to be wrong in a minute. In a minute, I'm going to be wrong. I put out... Right. Okay. All right. It's getting too predictable now. There's no point watching the show anymore. No point watching because you're waiting for me to get it wrong. I got it right again. This is getting silly now. Where did I put it? There you go. Okay. Okay. I've got to make a video. Come on. Give me that, right? I've got to make a video, haven't I? You're going to give me that? Here we go. You're sitting there thinking, showing off now. He's always getting it right. He's going to get it wrong in a minute. That's why I watch, just to see when he gets it wrong. Told you so. I'm going to call the video Told You So. Just don't care. All right. Okay, let's do it. We got to have some fun with this video. I told you so. I told you so. One day I'm going to get it wrong. Anyway, I was right again. People should call me Tom Lee. No, don't call me Tom Lee. He gets it wrong sometimes. I never get it wrong. Shall I talk about two things, which I made the prediction, head of schedule, once again, portfolio, blowing off the top. Everything's fantastic. Shall we show you what we did? SoundHound and inflation and NVIDIA. You're all interested in this? Yes, of course you are. We just got the PPI. Inflation is an issue. What did I say? NVIDIA fears for inflation, but it's good for NVIDIA. Watch the video. I explained it. I also said there, inflation scare, 18 hours ago, ahead of PPI. Yep. Don't wait for the news to come out. I can tell you what it's going to be in the future, which is what an investor is really all about. To be honest, the market is so manipulated after such a long time of doing this. It's pretty clear what's going on half the time. People just don't want to admit it. Inflation. It is a bit of a worry. It's not out of control. People are doom and glooming already, saying it's all going to go spike up in a recession. Again, we never had a recession the first time, so that's nonsense. But anyway, I just wanted to say I told you so. But this is why I want to focus on. This one here. This is important because SoundHound 13 hours ago, up late at night. I was up late. Leah was very upset with me, and I said about SoundHound Gold, oversold, oversold, oversold on the reaction. What happens? We wake up, we're up. We're up 3% this morning. Now, it doesn't mean to say it's going to go on forever, but we identified a massive overselling last night. It was a bit bonkers. The earnings was fine, but this amount of overselling was just a free gift to those who bought it last night when I put it out there that this was going to happen. Does it get annoying when I keep making videos saying I told you so? Well, I don't care. I don't care because I lost 30 grand when I started investing with Virgin Galactic, and you learn nothing from success, but you do learn stuff when you lose money. And it's made me look at the markets a little bit differently. And since January, I've never lost on a trade. 19 wins, 19 trades. I called the bull market 6 months before the Bank of America. Anyway, the rest is history. I just want everyone to do well. Wish you all the best. SoundHound is gold right now, in my opinion. It's a very, very interesting stock. But I say again, and I said it in this video here, I gave you the analysis of SoundHound. SoundHound is not a business to invest in. It's a stock to trade at the moment. However, it is a good product and idea, and I believe that this could be something really interesting to partner with NVIDIA. But just bear that in mind. I'm not saying it's a great business. A great business is something I own that makes me money. This doesn't make money, so it's not a great business. As we talked about Rocket Lab, I did analysis on that. Again, great future potential, but not a great business to hold and own at the moment. Anyway, check out all that analysis. But be careful. SoundHound is the sort of stock that will trim off today. If you've made 3% this morning, you might consider, if it's on your IRA, taking the 3%, waiting for a dip, and do it again. You can continue. You can start to accumulate more and more shares by doing that. So there you go. PPI is coming hot. It's a bit of a concern, but not a concern if you are a long-term investor and you are on the right side of it. It's not an issue. Don't take any notice of anyone on YouTube trying to sell videos, scaring you, and so on and so forth. Just before I go, talk about scaring you, you do need to see this. Remember yesterday I said we have got a new system now, and I made a joke about it. I said TradingView should buy it off me as an indicator. It's a joke, but things start out as a joke and then they become quite serious a couple of years from now, because at the end of the day, people want to see what people are really doing. Indicators, a measure of the markets. Well, I'm providing a measure, an indicator. It'll be called like the Fibonacci. It'll be called the Lucas Archie, right? The Lucas Archie. This is the Lucas Archie. That's what this is, and it'll be really useful in the future. Right now, you're all laughing. You're all going, listen to him, creating his Fibonacci, his Lucas Archie. Well, it's starting to trend on Google. All right? They all laughed at Elon Musk. They all laughed at, they probably laughed at Einstein, probably laughed at Beethoven. Not that I'm putting myself in that category, of course, but I've got the Lucas Archie. You want to see it? It's really useful and it's growing really quickly. So you're missing out. Look at this. Last night, I put out a video telling you, and I was quite cunning with I had a cunning plan. Did you see this? Did you see that? Anyone know what that says? I even encrypted what it actually said, just to confuse you. Anyway, some of you saw it, some of you didn't. Some of you won a prize, some of you haven't. You'll know if you've understood it. If you don't, then you don't. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. You're out on the loop and you're in a dark corner going, I'm missing out on life. Yeah, you are. If you've not understood that, you're missing out on life, right? Last night, I put a video out and I said, nobody will watch it. Nobody will watch it. No one cares about doom and gloom or nightmares for Bitcoin. No, what sells videos is we're all going to get rich in 3 seconds. I spent a lot of time here, did a 14-minute video. 109 people saw it. 81 watched that one. Nobody. I said they wouldn't, but I don't care. It's the right thing to say. And this proves it. Look at this. The Lucas Archie. Look at this. Over here, we've got an indicator. And this is a poll run by investors, for investors. And it's on my community page, and it's not manipulated by spammers and bots and idiots on Reddit and StockTwits trying to promote stuff. There's no ads or anything like that. There's no reason to promote this post. No one's paying me. No one's paying you. We just know that this is what investors think about, right? Well, the question was, look at this. I said, Bitcoin. This is what I talked about in the video. Will the day come when there is a mass sell-off? Think about it. Think about it. Will a day come when there is a mass sell-off? Vroom. Like that. BlackRock, Michael Saylor, take trillions of dollars out of it. If so, will be the scariest financial moment of all time. A small number own nearly all of it. Just imagine. Many already have more money than they will ever need. Why hold forever? What's the point? There's the video. Go and check out the playlist of the Bitcoin stuff and whatever. So since last night, how long's it been out for now? 13 hours during the night. No one's paying attention, but I did it anyway because I wanted to see what would happen overnight when no one's watching my shows. 129 votes. Let me refresh it. See if my Lucas Archie has changed. The Lucas Archie is now 130 votes. Look at that. And this was during the night when no one's paying attention. And you said, that should scare the hell out of you. It scares the hell out of me. It doesn't actually, because I'm not in it. I think it's funny, right? Yes, the day will come. 58%, beware. 58% of investors think the day will come when woof will happen. Is anyone paying attention to that? Cryptos Are Us talking about that? No. BitBoy, any of the big crypto channels? No. It's going to go on forever until it doesn't. Anyway, the investors, 58% of you say it's going to crash one day. 26%, no, it'll go up forever. Yay! 26%, 15% of you don't know. So 26% is interesting because remember what I said about a handful of people own all of Bitcoin? 26%, it'll go on forever. Which one are you? Anyway, there's our Lucas Archie. We've got lots of stuff like this. We've got 180 votes on NVIDIA. It's a beat. We're talking about NVIDIA in this video. We also have, I'll just go down to SoundHound and then I'll end out this video. SoundHound, you said it would beat. How flipping accurate. Oh, hang on a minute. Just remind myself. I can't remember. I've slept since then. Yes, it was a beat. And look how accurate that was. Look how accurate that was. 116 votes. 91% of you said, yep, it's going to beat. And it beat. And it oversold, which was good because you could bought it back and it's still going up. Anyway, there is the end of my video. I wonder who will watch this one. I don't know what to call it. Do I call it Lucas Archie? Do I call it I told you so? Do I call it the warning of Bitcoin? No one will pay attention to that. Or do I call it SoundHound oversold and now you've all made profit this morning? I've no idea. I don't know what to call it. Maybe I'll call it the video with no name. I don't know what to call it and see what happens. It doesn't matter whether you watch it or not. I just want to tell you about it. Click above my head, down below in the description, over here and over here. Some more stuff like this from the Lucas Archie indicator of financial freedom. Take care. Freedom! That's a good one, that. I just thought of that. Take care of yourself. Hang on a minute. Let's add a bit of echo to that. Right. The Lucas Archie indicator of financial freedom! I'll end it there. Best video I've ever made. Right, it's bound to be a hit. All right. Okay, read your comments. How long we got? 25 minutes. Good morning. SoundHound rally, end of the day, end of the week. Good morning. My 125 is actually 156. Thanks, SIP Investments. Ooh, my 125 is actually 156. Very nice. 0.31 up on VU. Yay! A. Mike, can you call in, please, Mike? Because you're doing me head in. I know we're friends and everything, and we talk on the phone, but you're doing me head in, right? We're not really friends. I call you up privately to have a conversation just to, I have to because you annoy me so much. It's like an itch I've got to scratch. So I have to call you up. See, Mike thinks we're friends because I call him up and we have private conversations. It's not. It's because it bloody annoys me. So I have to scratch. I've got to get that. I've got to talk to Mike. I've got to sort Mike out. So I phone him up when I should be doing things like sat on the beach, surfing, drinking pina coladas. You can do that often in Texas. But no, I call Mike up. Mike, how the hell can you be up 0.31 on VU? I'm asking you, what is your day position? Are you up or you down? I know the answer. You are down 0.01 because there is VU. But yet apparently you're up 0.31. Poor old Mike. It's getting worse. We used to have this problem with Bill, and I think it's an age thing. It seems to sort of just creep up on you, doesn't it? Anyway, hi James for the day. You can't be, Mike. You can't be. Look at it again. And if you call in, I'll hold my phone up on the screen. You've got the same app, and we'll press the buttons together. Step by step, we'll go through it. IPA earnings, no jump on IPA yet. Raj, I could have covered the earnings, but you didn't choose it, and you're not a member. Become a member, and I'll cover the earnings for you. Why not? Get to it. Get busy. Choose it. Hello, James 007. He's very mild-mannered and knowledgeable. Tom seems likable and trustworthy. Yeah, I like him. Still can't wrap my head around the fact that you only started with $5,000. Pretty impressive. Thank you very much, Donald Boyko. In fact, it was better than that because when I started doing this, I gave up my income, so I had zero coming in. For a year and a half, I still had to pay the bills, right? I just literally invested in myself and worked for free. 18 hours, it seemed like 18-hour days, building the studio, setting it all up, talking to no one. Mike was the only person here listening. That's why I talked to Mike a lot. He was here at the beginning. Anyway, I bought Pfizer recently with its 6,000 dividends. Pfizer good. I like Pfizer. Yes, I do. Good time. I think both Coca-Cola and Pfizer will go up in value. Yes, Pfizer is probably better value than Coca-Cola. I just happen to like Coca-Cola. Don't ask me why. I drink it. So I like to think to myself, if I buy enough cans of Coke throughout the day, I can actually help the price, which is kind of crazy because I'm spending the money to make my stock go up. It's not going to work though, is it? You know, you've got to sell billions of cans of Coke. And if I'm spending money, you know, I should stop doing it. It's not a good idea. I should get all of you to buy Coke and I should just drink water. Martyn, any new information about Sidhu? Will the CEO come in for an interview? The company has been quiet for a while. Cyberspace, was it Carol? Was her name? She doesn't respond to any correspondence. I've given up. Cyberspace correspondence management is rubbish for communication. Do not respond to me, investor relations. Carol doesn't respond to me. I thought she might, as a piano player, she might find some sort of kindred spirit. But no, I don't know what they're doing. They don't seem to be focused on their investors. So I can't give you anything there, I'm afraid. Wish I could. IPO earnings today up over 6% pre-market. Got scared yesterday, David Ewan, and it sold. I'll go watch that one later. Okay. I watch no matter what, Martyn. David Ewan, I know you do, mate. You're always here, and I'm always talking to you. I'm always answering your questions. You're always watching. It's a partnership, mate. It's a partnership. Humble brag video. Should I call it that? The humble brag video. Kevin B. Morning all. It's good to see that normality is coming back. The trolls are coming back in. People just come in and say like one word that means nothing. Margin. Great. Excellent. Thank you for that. Aha, Christopher, agree. The book I'm reading currently, the author Andrew Craig articulates very well how inflation is manipulated by moving the goalposts. Correct. And changing the parameters of how things are measured. I totally agree. This is why you always stay invested, because your money will always go up with inflation. That's why I say that over and over again. Anyway, good morning. The Lucas Archie. There you go. It's a great indicator. Should be on TradingView. Lucas Coin, yes. I want to do that. My own crypto coin. But it's not going to be like any other. It's going to be for the benefit of you, not me. I've made that commitment. I've explained it before. What's the Mobic Labs special event? If you don't mind me asking. I'm glad you mentioned that, actually. Because I'm now going to give you the exact date. Oh, yes. Mobic's CEO giving us great information. Okay. I am promoting. Whoops-a-daisy. I'm talking to the CEO right now. This right now. Let's say Pacific time. That's 2 hours behind, isn't it? Pacific time. Let me just double check. It's 2 hours, isn't it? I know it is, but I always have to be checked. I always have to check. Pacific and Mountain. Pacific time. 6. Yeah, I know it was. I just want to check. So 9. Let's say 11 a.m. for a prep for a 15-min prep, then live at 11:15 a.m. No, that's 11, isn't it? Hang on. Nine Pacific, that's 11, that's right. 9 a.m. Time for a 15-minute prep, then live at 11:15 Pacific time. The link to call in is talking to the CEO now, so I'm going to answer your question. Shouldn't really be doing this. I've got to focus on the members, but I'm being nice to Kevin B. I think he was once a member. Maybe if I'm really nice, you might go, that's fair enough. I'll be a member now. I'll be a member again. I mean, you are giving me an inside tip here on a company. I am promoting this right now live. Let's say November. I'm not telling you what it is yet. All right. 9 a.m. Pacific time for a 15-minute prep, then live at 11:15 p.m. The link to call in is the password is case sensitive. So duplicate. At Mobix, MOBX. Is it going up? Yep. The stock is moving. It's moving quickly now since we put the promo out. It's gone up. It's gone up 12% since I put the promo out. Just saying. Mobix. There's a video here. Mobix. This is very exciting for all of those that like a heads up on stuff. Let me click on that. Mobix. Only a few people have seen it. My investors have been buying up Okay, so now I can tell you what we're going to do, how this is going to work. You all want to know, so you're going to get the heads up right now, live. Going to go here and tell you exactly when this event's going to happen live. So it's going to happen Mobix, there it is. It's going to happen on November the 19th. November the 19th. November the 19th, which is 5 days away. November 19th at 11:15. I like how they're asking me, tell us when we can do it. We're free all day. When's it good for you? I just chose the time. It sounded a good time, didn't it? In between the shows. So 11:15 a.m. I'm going to save that. And I'm going to give you the event itself. So the stock is now moving. You can see it going up. It's been going up ever since we put the promo out here, and it's been rising ever since, which is nice. But it's a very small company, very small, like 212 million. No, less than that, isn't it? Is it 212 million, something like that? No, smaller than that. So I said it's a stock that our channel with no intention, but it can actually move the stock. But that, I'm not owning it. I'm not pumping it for myself. It's not about that. 21 million. 21 million. So when I put the video out here, I got calls from investors saying we're buying it, and boom, 12%. So there you go. Anyway, he's going to announce a big announcement. So I don't know what. Honestly, I don't know. Right. I'll go to the homepage. We should see Mobix now, upcoming live stream. It should be there. There it is. There's the Mobix If you want to be live for it, ask questions to the CEO. Wow, 16 likes already. Look at this. 16 likes for a very small company. People are interested in this. People are interested in this. This is exciting. You are damn right it's exciting. It's I might make it members only though, Kevin B, just to annoy you. I should actually make it members only, to be fair, because it's an exclusive, world exclusive for news from a CEO. I should actually make that members only. I might make it members only. It'll come out about an hour later. Just give all the. Should I do that? Should I do that so all the members can buy it first? I should do that. I should do that. It's the right thing to do. Of course it is. It's absolutely the right thing to do. Right. Okay. Have I got time? Sound and BTC. Okay. Let's make a video. Uh, 45 minutes. 45 MOBX. I mean, it's a couple of bucks to be a member. You know, that's the way I see it. It's got a big deal in it. Okay, Mobic, let's come up to it. Let's get the 17 likes. People are already waiting. It's very interesting. Right, Mobics. This is exciting. We're starting a. Actually, I tell you what I'm going to do. We're going to really get behind this now. We're going to have some fun with this. Let's get a 30-40% ramp on this. All right. Let's just be a roaring kitty. Sod it. Let's be a roaring kitty.
Srinivasamurthy Karamanchi has become a member.
Oh, I love it. Hey, how about that? He's thinking, hang on a minute. I don't want to miss this. This is good. It's a $21 million company and everyone's going to tune in. This is going to be good. I like it. I like it. Right. Okay. Sod it. I think I'll do members only, at least for the live interview, and then he can go out later. Yeah. In fact, I am going to do that. I know I'll get less views, but it's not about me. This proves it's not about me. So I'm going to do that. Okay. So, right. We've got Mobics there. I'm going to do it. I've made the commitment now. I've said it. Mobic Labs. Okay. Here we go. This might take us into the bell, but I just think we're talking heads. Yeah. I just see that. I see that. Mike, I'm just getting the information now from the CEO. I'm starting to get stuff through. This is going to be a really good thing for you, okay? And I'm going to make it. I am going to make it members only. I think it's the right thing to do. Okay. 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 Here we go. Let's make the video. This will come out later. Now, if this goes over to the bell, I don't mind. This is big enough. This is big enough for as a focus to our members. Don't worry about the bell. Don't worry about the bell. Let me bring this to you. Okay. Okay. So what we're going to do now? Here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Mobic Labs. Big news. You're going to love this. If you are an investor, stay tuned. This is the best video I've made all year. Want to make some money? Want to find out something great? Want a world exclusive on Mobics? You are in the right place. And it's going to all be behind closed doors. Yep. I want to do something really, really special for you. Let me show you what we're going to do. This is Mobic Labs. It's a very, very small company, very exciting company, a company for the future. However, it is a small company. Look at the market cap, 21 million. We have had shows. We've been covering events like this before, 100 million, and the stock has popped up on this kind of event. This is 21 million. So what's this going to do? Let me tell you what we're going to do. I am going to be speaking direct, live in the studio with the CEO of Mobic, and they've got some very exciting news to reveal to you. It's going to be a complete blowout video live event. I'm going to make it members only. It's only a couple of bucks to be a member because I want to prove to you that I am not Roaring Kitty. I'm not a pump and dump channel. I will not buy it. I will not own it. I will be completely impartial. I only own the S&P. Is it going to go up? Yes. Since we announced the video, it's gone up 11%. We did our first announcement just here a few days ago, and it's popped up, all right? Which is very, very exciting. It's up today, 5.61. It's bound to move. A lot of interesting stuff. So let me show you all the information, how we're going to do it. We're going to have the CEO live on the show. I'm going to ask him all the difficult questions. That's how this operates. I'm going to ask him all about the balance sheet, the numbers, the financials, the debt position, insiders, who's buying, what's the excitement about the stock, what's proprietary, what's unique, why should we invest in it, all this kind of great stuff. This is the event itself. It's on our channel. At the moment, you can see it. I'm going to hide it. I'm going to hide it all of a sudden, okay? It's going to be a members-only live stream. And the reason why I'm doing that, I could make it public and get lots and lots of people to watch and make lots and lots of money. But it's not about me. It's about me providing a service for my members, for you to make money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a members-only live stream. It will be available to general public afterwards because you all want to know, but that'll be afterwards when we have the excitement die down. But the members will get the world exclusive of the CEO. So there is the event itself. It's on November the 19th, 5 days from now, 11:15 a.m. Central Time. The company are Pacific Time, so for them it's 9:15. They will be with me slightly earlier. You'll see a little bit of it behind the scenes on the extra channel as we prep the show and make final preparations. So you can see a bit of that. Won't be giving anything away though, but you'll just see a little bit on the screen, and you might like to be part of the build-up. Okay, so there's the event. This is the company just got a partnership with Talking Heads. This is exciting. All of this will be talked about on the show. Don't want to give too much away, of course. No, it's going to be really exciting on the day. So Mobic Labs, join us for this very exclusive, world exclusive event. I'm the only one getting this interview. As it happens, live, members only. It will be available to general public later. It's only a couple of bucks to be a member, but I'm doing it not to make a couple of bucks because I'll make less money out of you by actually, if I'd made it public. I'm doing it because, once again, trying to find ways to bring my members the best service and the best value, and also that way we don't get the chat spammed out with people asking silly questions. Just real investors aren't asking real questions. Okay, so there you go. Become a member. It's only a couple of bucks, all right. And if that's not right for you, you can wait until the video comes out to the general public. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. And over here, I shall put the event. I shall also put the event above my head as well, down below in the description. When I say above my head, if you click above my head or down below, click the more button at the bottom of the description, you'll find all of the above my heads, right, links. Down below in the comments, I'll also pin it to the top of the comments, which will take you directly to the event itself. Here is the event, and here is the playlist for Mobic. So as we get earnings, as we get more information, follow-ups, interviews, whatever, they'll all go in there so you can follow this business. 71 cents. What's going to happen on the day? Well, you decide. You're the investors, but I'm just here to bring my members the best information. I only own the S&P. I'm not pumping and dumping it. I'm simply providing you with the best world exclusives. Meet the CEOs live in my studio. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. We got that in time for the bell to go. So SoundHound. We've got 17 likes already. Awesome. Okay, I need to do a follow-up as well. I need a follow-up. Just thought of something I need to do. Market's up. SoundHound. Let's have a look. SOUN. SoundHound. Here we go. SoundHound, ticker symbol SUN, right on the bell. I put out the video last night telling you it was gold last night, overnight hours, that it was oversold on the earnings. I gave you the analysis. I put the video out telling you that this was a golden opportunity for SoundHound. And boy, was I right. Again, there is the SoundHound gold video there. It came out during the night, 14 hours ago. Here is SoundHound now moving, as you can see. We're starting to move up. Did I show you the SoundHound video? I'm not sure I did now. There it was. Was I doing that? We're 10 seconds before the bell goes. Let's see where it goes. It was oversold. People will take profits. This is what this stock does. It's one for the future. Let's ring the bell. Here we go. The bell has gone live. Let's see what the movement of SoundHound is this morning. The earnings was good. It was dramatically oversold. I put the analysis out and warned you. People will take profits though. Don't chase it now. The time to buy this was throughout the night. You could have made yourself a decent profit already, but let's see how this runs. We're looking for a $10 stock, and there it goes. It's up 5.5, 5.6. 5.5, 5.6, 662. Where's it going? If you're just tuning into the live show, the bell has just gone 6.2. It's now running. Smash the like button if you like this content. We gave the analysis. We gave you the warning. Make sure that you click the bell and you watch all the live shows and see what's going on. How far is this stock going to run? Let's have a little look. The overall markets are up. Again, I'm making money. Again, I started with $5,000. I'm now at $131,056. Coca-Cola's going down nicely. Ready for my January the 1st overnight after New Year's Eve party celebrations. In fact, is priority. As I kiss Leah, boom, $8,000 worth of Coca-Cola. Maybe you'll join me. SoundHound is now 5.38. Just people taking some profits. Don't chase it now. The opportunity was there. Wait for the next pullback. I wish everybody the very, very best. Go and check out the analysis. There's the profit taking. Too late now. Let it go. There's the SoundHound gold. Gave you it throughout the night, 14 hours ago. Middle of the night, I was up doing this for you. This was the nightmare for Bitcoin. I gave a little secret code here as well. You might want to go and check that out. I've just made an announcement as well about a very exciting world exclusive. The world exclusive is here. This is Mobic Labs. I'm interviewing the CEO to bring us some very special news. A world exclusive. The stock is going to move. It's only 21 million. It's a members only live stream. At the moment it says public, but I'm going to make it members only. Because I only want members given the opportunity for this position. It's only a couple of bucks to be a member, but I don't want the CEO inundated by bots and scammers and trolls, so I'm making it members only for good investors. There's the profit. It's going back down now. It doesn't matter if it runs. Let it go now. Wait for the next opportunity. I'll be up late at night tonight again, looking for another entry point. If I find one, I'll make a video and tell you, buy it before it pumps. Do not chase the stock. Never, ever chase the stock. Buy it when it goes down. When you identify the movement, do not buy it on the way up. Join Sensei on Sunday. Sensei on Sunday is going to be providing all the technicals, the buy zone, sell zone, support levels. Sensei gives you the information from a technical standpoint. He can identify it from the charts. I identify it by simply talking to people who work at the factories. I have friends on X, friends on Instagram, people that go through my polls. That's what I do. That's how we do the Meet the CEO series. That's the information that I provide Sensei does it from a technical point of view. Put the two together, you've got the perfect recipe to make some money. Good luck, everyone. Smash the like button, click subscribe and ring the bell. Another great day here on Martyn Lucas Investor. How much money are we making today? We're up and we're now 131,056. We're waiting for Coca-Cola to keep going down for January the 1st. That's it from me. Have a wonderful day. As always, take care of yourselves. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, you'll find more information in the series. I'll put the SoundHound playlist, and down here I'll put the event for Sunday. Should I put the event for Sunday? I'll put the event for Sunday, and I'll try and squeeze in the Mobics as well, just so you can join us for that. It will be members only. Ta-ra for now. Bye-bye. All right. Okay, there you go. We'll keep an eye on SoundHound, but pretty much we want to let it go now. We've made our money. Hopefully you have. Let's see. Right. How many people are with me? 76 this morning. Very quiet show this morning. 76, 44 likes. Let's get the likes up, guys. Pretty quiet this morning. Everyone's being lazy. Let me do a thing here on the Lucas Archie. Are we going to call it that? Are we? This will be funny. Right, let's do it. Let's do a Lucas Archie this morning. The stock's running. We're all loving that. 6.33 on SoundHound now. Lovely. So let's do this. We will put this out now. It's Mobix. Mobic stock. Mobic Labs World Exclusive. Mobic Labs World Exclusive. Members only. The CEO. Meet the CEO live on the show with some very exciting. Whoops, daisy. Hey!
Lawrence Teo donated 14 Singapore dollars and 98
Here he
cents
is.
through a super chat. Smash the like, please.
Thank you very much indeed, Lawrence Teo. He's the man. Look at that. Thank you so much for that super chat. That's very, very kind. Thank you very, very much indeed. Meet the CEO live on the show with some very exciting news. Let me grab the video, Mobics. There we go. Let's do MOBX, Mobic Labs. Okay, let's do that. Mobic Labs, and then Martyn Lucas Investor. Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay, so MOBX, Mobic Stock, Mobic Labs, World Exclusive, members only. Meet the CEO live on the show with some very exciting news. Let's have a look. Image poll. Oh, hang on. Will the stock pop on this event? Yes. Let's go. Mobics. Nope. Down she goes. Or undecided. You are undecided. Undecided. Okay, so let's have a look here. Let's bring in my Ecamm Live emojis, my NFTs. Let's have a look. So we've got, yeah, going up. No. Going down. Or yes or no. Undecided. There you go. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Right, let me post that. Okay, there it is. Let me give it a like. That's in the community tab on the homepage of the channel. If you want to vote, get involved in this. At the moment, it's showing as a public event, but I'm going to make it members only. I've made that promise now. Can't change my mind now. Okay. Okay, so let's do this. SoundHound now has gone back down. There it goes. Profit's gone. I hope you didn't chase it. I hope you took your profit. I hope you did it overnight. So let's do that. So the time, we've got several things to do. Live. 1 hour 5. Oops. 1.05 sound. SoundHound, quick updates. I hope that you got the news throughout the evening, the gold opportunity of an oversold stock. No question about it. Also, you saw the video this morning when I said buy it overnight, catch that big 5-6% rally. I said also in that video, don't buy it, it will sell. Don't chase it. It has. It's gone down. Now you're starting to look for the next entry point. This isn't it yet. I would like to wait a little bit longer. I don't mind buying it now. I'm okay with it buying it now. But what I would do if you wanted to buy this now it's sold off a couple of percent, what you might want to do is if you've got $1,000 allocation, let's just say $1,000, doesn't matter if it's 1,000 million or 100. $1,000, perhaps now you put 40% in, to put 400 in, keep the other 600 for another couple of percent drop, and then you can go back in again. The time to buy this was where it was overnight. This is a little bit hot again, only because it trades here, and we don't want to see anybody lose. The idea is not chase the gains, but protect the losses. If you never lose money, you win by default. Simple as that. So there you go. So if you've seen there, look, you could have just bought that there, like I said, half your 40% of your allocation. Now you could be trimming it again right now, perhaps trim it again. What I would suggest do is set a stop trail order, 1% on it, because it seems to be moving a couple of percent a time, couple of percent in those peaks and troughs. And then the moment it goes up a couple of percent, you can then reset, cancel the order, reset your stop trail order for a couple of percent, keeps you in the game, because ultimately it's going up to $10. So ultimately it keeps you in the game. You're not out every couple of seconds, but make sure if you are doing this, you're doing it on an IRA or an ISA, so you're not paying tax on it. Because if you're making lots of micro trades and you're making lots of smaller trades, a couple of percent at a time, these add up, but you don't want to be paying 20% tax. And those of you say, why bother making a couple of percent? It's how I've got to 132,000 from 5,000. Lots and lots of trades. Remember the story I told you that I played on the ships when everybody was sat on the beach, dollar by dollar tip, and I bought my house. Take care of the dollars, take care of the pennies, the pounds, take care of the cents and take care of the pennies. The dollars and pounds take care of themselves. There you go. Go and check out my analysis video and my prediction video just a few minutes earlier. Click above my head, down below in the description. I'll post you the SoundHound playlist here and a special event, world exclusive, Mobic Labs. We're meeting the CEO live on the show. It's going to move the stock. You're going to be very interested in that one. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay. Let's get out of that now. We don't need that now. We're done with that. Let it go. Let's quickly do this. MOBX. Right. Just do this. Mobic Labs. Ticker symbol MOBX. Quick update, very short video. Watch to the end. Every second of this video is important. Let's get 100% engagement rate. That was the only bit that wasn't worth saying as far as you're concerned. Right, Mobic Labs, tap the like button. That's important. Why? We want to share the video out. We've got a world exclusive event you cannot afford to miss. It will be members only because I want to be seen and demonstrate that I'm not pumping and dumping the stock. So I'm not trying to get it out to as many people at once at first. Just give members the chance to ask questions to prove to you I'm not pumping the stock. I only own the S&P. This is the event itself, and we have a very special poll here. We like to call it, this is the event itself. Make sure that you go there now and leave a like. Look at this. For an exclusive event, members only, already 17 likes. It's going to be absolutely huge. It's only $21 million stock. It's going to move. This is what's important. I like to call it, as of this morning, the Lucas Archie. You've heard of the Fibonacci. Well, we've got a better indicator than that. And it's not infiltrated by bots and scammers and trolls and idiots in Reddit, those fakers on StockTwits, people like Kathy Wood pumping up for her own self-belief and all the rest of it. This is my actual members, my investors, real investors, not bots, trolls and scammers, real people. And this trends on Google, by the way. Now, I've just seen mine last few weeks trending on Google. These polls are very important and they're all proving very, very accurate. We like to call it the Lucas Archie. All right, so what it is, I'm asking you a question here. Mobic Labs, Mobic stock. It says here, Mobic Labs world exclusive, members only. Meet the CEO live on the show with some very exciting news. Will the stock pop on this event? There's the link. At the moment, it shows public. Soon to go, members only. Only because I've just set it up, but I did make a promise I would do it for members only. Mobic Labs, there's all the hashtags and so on. The question is, yes, let's go Mobic. You say it's going to go up. No votes right yet. I posted this 10 seconds ago. 0 votes. 0 votes. I'll refresh it in a second. I'm making this on a show. Nope. Down she goes. Or undecided. You've got no idea what the stock's going to do. Shall we refresh it and see if anybody has already voted? Bearing in mind, there's only a handful of people. There's actually, in my show right now, 79 people watching live. Only 50% are signing to Google. That's just the way it works. Well, so we're not expecting more than what? Maybe 5 people to have voted. Not everyone's interested, right? Let's see how effective the Fibonacci is. And this is being made live and a few seconds ago. Shall we vote on it? Let's refresh the screen. Let's see what it does. I've no idea what it's going to do. Let's do it. Let's do it. Am I going to look silly? No one's voted? What do you reckon? What do you reckon? 7 votes. Very, very, very good. Consider how many people even know it exists. It's going to trend on Google, no question about it. And this is what you're saying at the moment. You're saying, nope, down she goes. You think the stock is going to go down. 57%. No one's undecided. 43% say, let's go Mobic. No, it's going to go up. What do you think? You decide. I'm not going to pump and dump the stock. I only own the S&P. Let's refresh it again. 7 votes just a few seconds ago. Now 9 votes. It's moving very quickly, and we've got a slight change in the poll. So there you go. You might like to share that. If you click the share button underneath, you can put it on your social media. You can also like and leave a comment. Do that because those comments will be seen on Google and it'll move. Simple as that. All right, it's your stock, it's your money. I'm just here to bring you the best news. Mobic Labs, click above my head for the link for the event and the poll. Take part in our Lucas Archie, the best financial indicator in the world. Down below in the description, you'll find the event and the link, plus in the comment, pinned to the comments. Here's the event itself. Go and check that out. And I just did something else, which I can't remember. Oh yeah, the Mobic Labs playlist for everything in the playlist. So if you miss any of these announcements or interviews or earnings, if we cover those, which I'm sure we will, then they'll all be in the playlist, so you won't miss anything. Very, very exciting. Until next time, as always, take care of yourself and each other. And remember, the new buzzword, forget Warren Buffett, forget Charlie Munger, forget the Fibonacci, the 50-day average. Think the Lucas Archie. Bye-bye for now. All right. Okay. Let's see if that's moved. It's on 9 votes. 11. Oh, yes, it's going to go up. 55% now is winning. I think it's going to go up. I think it's going to go up. I don't think there's any doubt about it. To be honest, it's 21 million. Do you remember when, what's his name? Martyn Racer come in and he bought, what was it, 80, was it 40% of that company? Stock went voomp. He went back down again. People took profits. But do you remember? That was funny to watch. Anyway, was it Sidhu? I can't remember what it was now. Side of Space? Anyway, whatever. Let's see where we are. Selling off this morning. Let me go back to my Roth. Coca-Cola getting cheaper and cheaper. I'm loving it. Keep on going down. Just stay down till the 1st of January. That's what I need. Let's answer all the questions. SoundHound is trimming back off again. Yeah, down she goes. That's why I said only buy an allocation, not the whole thing. Right, we're good. I want to answer all the questions and end the show early to get these out. Good morning. Sundays are better. Oh, we've missed you. How are you? Good to have you back. Good morning, Mr. Martin, William McMillan. Good morning to you. William McMillan, are you here? You became a member yesterday. I saw that. Thank you. Did you get all your perks and benefits? Did you watch the members only video? Did you sign up for Discord, get the free training, the scalp tips, all of that? Did you do all those things? If not, ask me and I'll explain it to you. Am I right or am I right? Says Martyn Lucas. It's an extra good mood this morning. The classic can't. I'm always in a good mood, aren't I? Until I'm not. I'm in a good mood until I'm not.
Long the creator has become a member.
Good morning to you. You'll be able to get all the... stand by. I'll give you all your perks and benefits in a moment. Is Mike shorting Vu? Is Mike shorting Vu? Yeah, he must be. I love it. He doesn't do options, does he? Oh, my God. So, Reginald, how are you? Hit the green gang. He's the green gang. No, that was at the time of comment. Geez, Mike, call in. I need some uplifting spirits this morning. Martin, can you cover GDS? Right, William McMillan. I want to be clear. What are you asking me? These are all our members. We've got members in 68 countries around the world, 14 languages. William, what are you asking me? As a member, you can ask me to review a stock. You can also ask me to do an earnings for a stock, both of which is a member's perk with a $5 super chat. If you want an earnings for you, $5, I can cover it. If you want a analysis of a stock, I can cover it. If you want me just to look at it for a couple of seconds, of course, I'll have a quick look at it for you. No problem at all. GDS Holdings. I'll put it on the screen for you right now. There it is. GDS Holdings. I can have a quick look at it, how it's moving, but I can't do a full analysis on it at the moment, unless you wish to, unless that is your request, of course. Right. So you don't know what you're new and you want all the bits, right? Let me give you all the bits. Stand by. Let me get through the comments, and I'll give my 2 new members, William McMillan and Long L, the creator, your benefits. So just stand by for your perks and benefits. All right. Okay. Here we go. Just let me get through these comments. Martin, start drinking tea. You're absolutely right. Okay, thanks. Be right back. Still a good investment. I don't know. I've not looked at it for a while. What's the Mobic Labs event? Bad. I missed it. I've just announced it now. 100% partners. Good morning, all. Martin, I hope the members reviewed SMCI. You did a couple of days ago. It's tanking this morning once again. Yep, I did analysis on it. I warned people. I hope they checked it out. Did you ever get hit up by SOBR CEO? Who did the CEO respond from? Who did the CEO respond from? I don't know. No, I've had no other CEOs. If you are an investor of here and you want a CEO on the show, I don't invite anyone to be on the show. I don't sell my services. It's down to you. You as the investors, email investor relations, tell them about the show, say I'm an investor in the show, as in you're an investor. Sorry, you're an investor in the stock and you would like to hear from them on our show. That's what you do. And then when you've got them interested, then you can put them on to me. Okay, that's how this works. Good morning. Really excited about Mobic Labs. I remember the review. Soon enough, I'll be back as a member, just dealing with financial hardship, but I hit the like. Kevin B, that's all right. You'll catch it anyway, I'm sure. Thank you very much. Good morning, afternoon, everyone. New member here. I'm looking forward for the Mobic's interview as well. All new members, stand by. I'm going to give you all your perks in a minute. I'm just getting through all the questions. The impeding debt bubble burst. I'm going to go over to members only comments now because members are in danger of being neglected. Let me go members only. I do not miss any members' comments, any members' questions. Everyone gets their voice and their questions answered here. That's what this is about. Sidhu tanked with the news of the public share offering. No surprise there. No surprise there, really. This is exciting. It is exciting. I agree. I'm in 325 shares at 72. Free Christmas present. Members only perk for sure. Yes, indeed. Indeed, indeed. Just another new member. Mobic's announced strategic partnership with Talking Heads. Correct. When is the interview? I've just given you the information. Already done. November 19. Thanks, David. Yeah, I saw that, Mike. It's cool. I'm well informed. Meta fined 798 million for EU. It's not a big deal to them. Kevin B, ADUR, almost 100% since IPO. Thank you, David Ewan. Their earnings is out on the 26th of December. Could be a nice bonus Christmas present. Who? DJ, Mobix looks like a buy. Mobix, love your channel. Backyard Boogie. Thank you very much indeed. Whoa! Lawrence Tio has gifted 5 memberships today. 5 memberships is being given away today. Absolutely wonderful. Let's celebrate. Lots of new members. Here we go. Oh, yes. Bring on the fireworks. Boom, 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 boom. Congratulations. We got lots of new members this morning. We got Annoy1. Annoy1 has won a membership. Dan Drew has won a membership. Jason Cody has won a membership as well. DJ Patriot News has won a membership. Evie has won a membership. Please, 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 please do thank Lawrence Tio, who has just paid with his hard-earned money your... There's another one. That's another one just come in. This is absolutely incredible. Please do thank Lawrence for that. Leah, thank you very much indeed. I'll just check how you're feeling. Very well. I'll get some get wells in the chat. Can everyone put get well, Leah? She's not feeling very well today. Can we have some get wells? Spam the channel, please. Copy and paste. Make Leah smile. She's not feeling very well. Send all your love to Leah today, please. It's essential. It's part of the show. If not, go away. All right, bang. Cheers. There you go. Welcome to the family, everybody. Oh, there's another one. DJ Patriot. They're coming in thick and fast right now. So stand by, everybody. I'll get through the comments and give everybody their perks and benefits. Oh, okay. Right, now then. They'll be all right. Stephen Lewandowski, profits up 400%, I think, quarter. I'd like to hear Martin's thoughts on it. There's another one, Evie. Become a member today, accepted Discord link. Here we go. Srin. Now then, I need to check this. our first standby. This is a members part of the show now. I'm going to be doing members stuff right now. Where is Srin? Srinvasa, can you come back to me and comment, please, your username? I can't find your comment. If you could please comment it again, it would be much appreciated. Right, we're taking care of all the members right now. Please bear with me. We're going to spend a few moments taking care of our members. That's what this is all about. Now then, let me go through all of this, spend a few moments. If you are a member today or you've just become a member, there are many, many perks that you're going to get from me. The purpose of the membership is not so I can get $2 a person. It's not about that. It's so I can filter out bots and trolls and scammers, answer more questions, and provide a service. This channel is not a typical YouTube channel. I was voted by Elton John as the World Piano Man. I'm here to help people. I'm not interested in just selling videos to make money. I'm not interested in that. That doesn't excite me. Oh.
Stacey Bailey donated $5 through a super chat. Get well, Leah. Sending love from the Lucasades. Heart, heart.
Very nice. Thank you for that. That's very nice. She's not feeling well at all. Appreciate that. So the purpose of the membership is to provide a service to you guys, to give you information, help you, support you, give you friendship, give you a place to go, support from everyone, a fun place, information that's real, unbiased, and all the rest of it. So that's what this channel is all about, okay? So the memberships is always about how can I provide more service to enrich the service and the value to you. Also, the price of the membership will never go up, including inflation. It's never gone up. 3 years, you've never seen it go up. No increase in price for membership. I made that promise 3 years ago, and it'll be the same price in 300 years. Just won't be me running the show. Somebody else will take over. Maybe they'll break that promise, but I won't, okay? You're going to get the best value. So let me tell you all the things that you're going to get, okay? As a member, like now, we are members-only chat. Only members can chat and ask questions. We have members-only live streams, like the special event next week. We have members-only videos that only members get to see. If you look on the homepage of the channel, you'll see members-only live streams, members-only videos. You can now see these, as before, you could not see these. Very, very important, all right? There are many, many perks, too many things to mention. Here's the members video. Watch it all the way through. I turn the ads off this video, so you don't even see ads. I don't make money out of you even watching the members video. It tells you, though, all the perks, or most of the perks that you get. We've added some more since then. Anyway, there's the members perks. Now then, there are other things that you get. First of all my members get a discount to Seeking Alpha. There's a free plan. If you get the Pro plan, which is what I use, how to analyze stocks, it makes my membership for free. The deal is that good. I brought the best deal possible. I know the CEO of Seeking Alpha. Sorry, Alpha Spread. I meant that for Alpha Spread. There's the link. I don't know the CEO for Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha, I just gave you the link for that. With my referral, and only with a referral, you get a discount to the service and a free trial. Without a referral, you don't. You don't get a free trial, and you don't get a discount. As a member, on your birthday, we will celebrate your birthday. Let me know in the chat it's your birthday. We'll do a birthday song for you live in the show. You get to keep it. People pay a lot of money for me to make them birthday videos, as I'm the World Piano Man. You get it for free. Please subscribe to the music channel. On a Friday night, you can have a free first request. And if you subscribe to me, I'm trying to get 10,000 subscribers so I can raise millions of dollars for charity. I've done it before. This is my trophy, one of many trophies from the Lions Club. To show you it's real. But now I'm trying to turn on charitable giving on my music channel to raise money for charity, to do that. If you follow me on Instagram, I won't follow you back, but I will engage and help you grow by engaging with you. Best way to grow online is to talk to somebody that is growing online, and I don't follow anyone to give real value to you. You might go, well, how does that benefit me? Well, if I followed everyone, the power of my channels, X, Instagram, Facebook, it would be useless, because follow for follow devalues your account. However, if I follow nobody, but I take the time to talk to you, that engagement is real and helps you grow on your own Instagram and X account, but it also helps me reach you with the information that's important, like what am I trading, what's going on. So there's Instagram, there's X. I do that for all my members. Also, the all links button. You can get my newsletter. I very, very rarely send it out. I don't spam you at all. I very rarely do it. It's a backup for the show. If you love the show and you want to have an email on the database so I can email you should I need to if I lost my channel or something really important, something really urgent when I'm off air, that's what the emails list is for. And in return, I will send you a birthday card, Christmas card, and that's very nice. There's the extra channel. You can now join the family 12 hours a day, members only, 99 cents, and you can be part of the family on the extra channel. And for those watching on the extra channel right now, there's the main channel link. I've got a couple of little links here. This is so you can get some free stock. If you are in the US, there's my Robinhood. Get 5 free stocks at the moment. What if you're in the UK? There is my UK Robinhood. I've got accounts in both countries. All right, that's just some of the perks. Now, another perk is if you are a member, you can do a $5 minimum super chat and ask me to cover an earnings. I cover up to 4 earnings a day. For $5, you're basically paying me like 10 cents an hour, because for $5, I will cover the earnings. It will rank on YouTube as very often #1. I'll make a promo video. I'll analyze it the next day and all the rest of it. So you can have that for that. Also, for $5, if you want me to analyze a stock, I will analyze a stock and make you a video up to an hour long, edit it, promote it, put it on YouTube. These are some of the perks that you can get. Finally, and we're going to finish with this, here is Discord, one of our most popular things. Do you want to learn how to scalp trade? Do you want one-on-one training? Do you want one-on-one help from people like Ed Nevius for scalping or Sensei for crypto? Well, you have it. We don't charge for training, and it's free, and it's part of the membership service. There is the link in Discord. Click on it. It takes 10 minutes to get through because of security. And then you'll be bombarded by fake Martyn Lucases. Do not take any notice. Ban them. I ban them every day from the server. They can't talk in the server, but they do message you privately. There's nothing I can do about that. Just ban them, whatever. Report them in the scam channel if you want to. We've got a scam channel, report them. But no, I ban them every day. Now remember, please do not accept a friend request from a Martyn Lucas. They've all got the same logo. They all receive lawsuits from me which cost them money by using it. So don't do it. It's not very smart. Not very smart. They all use the same display name, Martyn Lucas. But if you just look a little bit closer at the profile, you will see the username is Martyn Lucas with 3 S's. I am Martyn Lucas, spelt correctly. I'm the only one on Discord to be like that. Okay. If you want to send me a friend request because you want to be able to direct message members in the channel, because they can't do it, nobody else can either, you have to be a friend of mine. That's the only way you can do it. Send me a friend request. I've given you the information in the chat, and I will accept it once I've upgraded you. Now, if you go on a Discord and you go, well, it's rubbish, I can't see anything, it's because I haven't upgraded you. You have 2 ways to see all the channels. You have 2 ways to access Ed Nevis's trade plans, which is right at the bottom, Sensei Crypto tips. You have 2 ways. You can become a YouTube member, and I'll give it to you here on the show once I do it manually. Or you can become a Discord premium member, which gives you extra perks and benefits, so you don't have to be a YouTube member to access Discord. That is some of the perks. So now we're going to get to work, and we're going to go over to the Discord channel for a moment. And we had one of our members just come in here a few moments ago, and he said, I am a member. There we go. Now then, if you have just won memberships, if you've just won a membership, you're not going to get all of the perks straight away. You get all the perks, members only videos, members only live streams, all of that. But until you got a green badge like Srivansa has, Srinivasa Murthy has, he's got his little badge, his green badge, because he's just become a member, you don't get Discord. And the reason for that is if somebody wins a membership, we don't want somebody who's not really invested in the family getting access to Discord. It's too good. It takes too much time for our educators to provide knowledge. We don't want to be giving it away to everybody willy-nilly. Once you've upgraded, at the end of the month, you've got a free month, basically like a free trial. At the end of the month, if you upgrade to become a paid member for a couple of bucks, then come back and ask me to add your name, and we'll do it. But Srinivasa became a member yesterday. He's a member, so here is his account. He's given me his details in the chat. So here he is. Now, I'm going to give you a nickname, but I don't need to because you've used the same name. I'm not going to put the full name because that would be too long. So I'm going to leave it as it is, just using the first name. I'm going to give you a role of YouTube member. You're not a premium customer. To do that, you subscribe on Discord, but I will give you the role of YouTube member. There you go. You can now send me a friend request. If you send me, see how it says direct messages are paused. They're paused. No one can direct message unless they're members. They can friend request you, but just don't accept. Srinivas, if you now send me a friend request, I will accept it. Does that make sense? Okay. I've just realized that needs to be, the nickname does need to be added because it's just missing an A. Whoops a daisy. Members. Change nickname. There you go. It's slightly different. It's slightly different. It's just an A at the end. There we go. It's not much of a difference, but it is a difference nevertheless. Okay, a couple of new members. View new members. A couple of new members. I don't know who these people are. Unless you come into the chat and tell me who you are, I can't accept you. I don't know if you are a YouTube member or a premium member. I've no idea until you let me know. There's Ed Nevius's scalp trades. Look at these. Look at this great information. Ed Nevius. Very busy every morning. Look at all these people. Thomas Morrow. Asking questions. Ed's showing you the trades. These are really good. There's Sensei Crypto tips. There he is. Showing you all the trades. Excellent stuff. Right. Okay. So let me come back to here. The Roth is going down and down. I'm loving it. Coca-Cola is getting really 6% now. 6%. This is because the inflation scare today. I love it. January the 1st. I doubt if you can't tell if it's going to go up, but by January the 1st, I hope it doesn't. I hope it keeps going down. I've got no problem with that at all. Right. I want go down 30%, fill your boots, brilliant. So Luna running, Sun. Bye. Anybody buying Lockheed Martin? BYD. Oh, hello. What was that? Oh, that's okay. Some people you can't please. Delivered a parcel to a very arrogant, rude man. No eye contact, no thanks. Surround yourself around people who share your morals and make you a better person. Always. Don't be put off by that silly idiot. How stupid is that person? You just delivered his post. You are the man that carries his post and parcel to his door. And he's stupid enough to be rude to you. Never be rude to the postman. That's a stupid idea. How to become a member. How to become a member. Here is the link to become a member. If you are on an iOS device only, you'll need to use a browser. iPad or iPhone. Select a browser, any browser, click the three dots, desktop version, then it works perfectly. Otherwise, everything works fine. The reason for that is Apple tried to take a commission out of Google, and that's how you get around it. Up, XRP, XRP, XRP. Yes. Very, very nice for you. I'm very, very pleased for you. Let's make some noise. Hey, Zach, want to tell you thanks for Space Insight. Made a 21% profit. Fantastic. Luna, selling off with Rocket Lab. Time to buy. There it is. What did I tell people? What did I tell people? Do not buy. In the analysis, what did I say? Do not buy the pump. Do people listen? No. They all bought it. There it is. Any Lunar update? I have to focus on the members, Jabroni. I'm afraid at the moment we're in members only mode. David, if you sold yesterday, I might buy your shares. I sold about 4 days ago. Space up 4%. Right after announcement of dilute shares again. I got 2,000 shares yesterday. Congratulations. Martin, Luminar Technology, what do you think? They beat earnings. Roger Allegria. We're in members only mode at the moment. I have to focus on the members. Space up. Let me have a look at Space. SPCE up today. Whoops, wrong one. Sorry, beg your pardon. Virgin Galactic. No, it's down today. What's going on? What are you guys talking about? Hey, everyone. Bart, hello. Please amplify that trading is not altogether different from walking on thin ice. Please amplify. I don't agree. But if you want to say that, that's fine. I don't think trading is like walking on ice. I see your sentiment, but that's your phrase, not mine. So I'm not fully agree with that. Live on less than you earn and invest the rest. Yes, the moral is quite simple. Rich people invest and spend what's left. Poor people spend everything, invest what's left. Simple that. Really simple way to live. Good morning, all. Martin is a great guy. Leo Ramirez. Hello, mate. How are you? You're not a member anymore. What happened? Lovely to have you here. I guess a little repetitive, though. What's a little repetitive? Martin, I have a video suggestion for you. When to buy in if a stock is on an upward run, similar to NVIDIA or Rocket Lab right now. How much pullback before you buy more? That's a good question. That's what Sensei does with the analysis on Sunday. From a chart point of view, as far as I'm concerned, I'm looking at the value of the company, and I couldn't care less about the price of the company. It doesn't matter. The stock price doesn't interest me at all. It's the value of the company. I own the business. Right now, Coca-Cola is getting cheaper and cheaper, and I can't wait to buy more on the 1st of January. And I don't mind that I paid more for it. Lawrence, any places in NVIDIA you'd recommend visiting? Looking good. Hey, Bart, mate, up 40%. Congratulations. Hard to say. I've never been delisting stock, not to be delisted yet. Emerging growth companies. That's because Robinhood picks up OTC, over-the-counter stocks. William, do you now know how all the membership works? Can you do analysis on Oklo? Yes, I can if you want me, but I'm not taking any analysis at the moment. I've got still a couple more to do. A couple more to do for other people, and then I will. But if you want to, it's a minimum $5 super chat, and yes, I can do that for you. Bought another 64 shares of Mobic. Congratulations. Lauren T.O. gifted the memberships. They're all the free memberships. Welcome to the family. Whoop-de-whoop. Welcome all the new members. Get well, Leah. Get well, Leah. I love it. All the get wells for Leah. Members only mode now. Get well, Leah. Thank you very much. New members, we did all that, didn't we? Where am I? Members. I think we're through now, members only. Just coming up to the end. I thought I just did that. Just do that. How come I can't see you? Let me just double check. Remember. Oh, 1 day ago. That's why. It was 1 day ago. That's why. Okay, good. Thank you, Stacey Bailey, for that. The family is growing. It is indeed. Get well, Leah. All the get wells. Thank you, Simon Meadows. Thank you for the super sticker. Remember, super stickers don't show on the screen. It's only super chats that show on the screen. Membership gifting is randomly allocated. It's not completely random, Lawrence Tio. It's on engagement. Those that are engaging in the channel comment to videos. It picks those people first. That's how it works. The love is to Leah. Yes, yes, yes. Martin, are you on Facebook? I'm getting fake profiles of you following me. Yes, I'm on Facebook. Be very, very careful. I'm on Facebook. Do I even share that? I very rarely share it. Yes, I'm on Facebook. Here's me on Facebook. I'll drop it in the chat for you. There's me. It's, again, spelt correctly. Martyn Lucas Investor. What do you expect? All right. There you go. Get well soon, Leah. I'm not feeling well today. I have very low blood pressure. Usman, I'm sorry to hear that. Very sorry to hear that. Usman, I hope you feel better. Can we send some love to Usman, new member today? Have you researched ethically created ETFs? Oh, that's a good one. Get well soon, Leah. Thanks, Lauren. I'll stay on that. Right, I've got through all the comments. Fantastic. All right, I've got through all the members' comments this morning. I've got to get off now and make these videos. We've got videos coming out for I Told You So, SoundHound, Mobic and the SoundHound. We've got ASTS tonight for the after hours. Symbotic tomorrow. So here we go. This is your one and only chance to do this now. This is it. If you are a member and you want Martin, I just 6. William, what does that mean? Martin, I just 6. No idea what that means. Is that your username? I just sick. I just joined. Okay. Give me your username then. Give me your username here in the chat and I will upgrade you. William. Okay. Okay. It might take 10 minutes to show up for the security. If you don't do it now, I'll do it in the closing bell this afternoon or whenever. But give me the username and I will find you. I don't see a William or I just 6. I don't know. I'll look out for it. Give me your username. Okay. What was I going to say? Completely lost my train of thought there. Let me sip some tea. What was I going to say? Yes. If you're a member and you want a earnings, you can have an earnings for a day. All right. Today's options, we're too late for the open, but for the close, we have AST Mobile. It's already booked. Someone has already booked that. That is tonight. But we can do Oklo or Amat. There are others, but these are the ones that we're featuring. Cheers, James. Oklo or Amat or many others. If you want me to cover a stock, tell me now, a $5 super chat, and I will make the promo video now. If you don't do it now, too late. Don't ask me tonight to cover after hours, applied materials, or Oklo, or anything else. It'll be too late. I'm making the promo video right now. If you want Alibaba tomorrow, Baba, or others, that's the one we're featuring. Tell me right now. If not, Oklo, long the creator. Well, you've just become a member. You have the chance to have this. So as a member, if you do a $5 super chat, I will cover it to you. All right? I will cover and I'll make the promo video right now. So basically, I earn about 10 cents an hour to do all the work for you. If someone comes along and says, I will give you $1 million to do an earnings, but they're not a member, I don't take it. It's a members only perk. But if you want it as a member, it's $5 minimum, and I will do it for you. Doesn't matter if you're not a member. If you offer me $1 million, I won't do it. It's a members only service. If you want it, you've got the next couple of minutes before I end this stream to do it. Otherwise, it's too late. So you've got until the end of this video. Okay, here we go. Let me do this one first. AST. ASTS. ASTS. Let's do the, have we got ASTS already on here? I don't think I have. I know I haven't actually. I know I haven't done it. So let's do that now. Let's do a Lucas Archie, shall we? Lucas Archie. So it is ASTS. AST space mobile. Join me live. After hours, November 14th for the AST earnings. Let's put the event here. William, I'll come back to you in a moment. Wow, 6 people waiting already for an event until tonight. That's pretty impressive for a small stock like that. Okay, so here we go. ASTS. AST space mobile. Martyn Lucas Investor. Image, I suppose, will they beat? Will they beat? Image poll. Yes. Let's go. AST. Okay. And nope. Down she goes. Add an option. Undecided. Okay, so let's go. So we give it the, yep, it's a beat. There you go. And undecided, which is that one there. Okay, post. Okay. Right, guys, here's the community. Go and vote on that. Leave a comment and a like, and you can be in the promo video, which we're making right now. There it is. If you can go and vote on the Lucas Archie, Forget Fibonacci. This is the Lucas Archie. All right. And we will see what you say. I shall. Oh, Bill's here. Bill's here. Lovely to see Bill. Right. Now we've got a new member, William. William, Discord username. Let's have a look. William, let me find your Discord. I don't see any new members yet. I don't know if you're on our server just yet. Oh, there you are. Honest Kuka 07825. There you go. There is you. There is you. There's someone very similar to you, but there is you. You are a member. Oh, we got another one. Look at that. Jordan Allen a year ago. Honest Coca 20. That's interesting. Huh. Very interesting. Anyway, there you go. So the first thing I'm going to do is give you a role of YouTube member. Change nickname. Your nickname is William. If you send me a friend request now, I can accept it because you are on the server. We verified you. Let me give you a nickname. There you go, William McMillan. As you are on YouTube, there you are. Look, you can see now. You can access all of the information. There you go. If you scroll down here, you can see at the bottom, Sensei Crypto Tips, Ed Nevius, Trade Plan, all this stuff down here. Send stuff into the show and what have you. If you send me a friend request, I'll accept it. Please do not accept a friend request from anyone else. They are scammers. All right. Getting more members come in, but I can't accept you because you are not YouTube members, so I can't accept you. The server is not for general public; it's for members of the channel. So here we go. Let's wait a minute. Okay, here we go. This is the end. AST end. We didn't get a request for Oklo, so doesn't look like we're doing Oklo tonight. Right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, a financial indicator you cannot afford to miss. That's coming up in a moment. AST Space Mobile, ASTS, ticker symbol. We are covering it live tonight. Special event. It's been requested by one of our members. If you're one of our members, you get all these promotional videos, plus the earnings itself, and analysis, live phone-ins, just for $5. Pretty amazing, right? Okay, this is what you want to look at, and this is a brand new financial indicator, which is going to replace the Fibonacci. Oh, yes, and more. Let me show you exactly what it is. Tap the like button for it to be revealed. Have you done that? Click subscribe and ring the bell. Are you ready? Here's the event tonight. Going to go be live on November the 14th after hours. Look out for that. We've already got people waiting in the chat. Very, very exciting. But this is what we call the Lucas Archie. It's better than StockWits, better than Reddit, all those idiots in their Reddit rooms on the toilet talking rubbish, all the scammers, the bots. Real investors, what are real investors saying without commercials, ads, promotions, sponsorship, those paying for the privilege, those that just want to short the stock? Nonsense. Real investors. Well, it's called the Lucas Archie. Forget the Fibonacci. This is the Lucas Archie. It trends on Google and it's in the community tab of our homepage on YouTube, which is owned by Google. Very powerful. And I've been watching these Lucas Archies, and they're all proving very accurate and very useful. Look in the community tab here, zoom in, and you'll go and see our latest one. We've just posted this seconds ago. There is only a handful of people who are watching me make this video. Look, 57 people, and only 50% are signing to Google who are even able to compete. So at best, maybe 10 people could vote on it if they'd acted straight away like 3 seconds ago when I'm announcing it, as I'm announcing it now. So let's see if it's got any votes. The question is, AST Space Mobile, with real investors, will they beat? There's the event. This will rank on Google. Will they beat? And the options are, yes, beat, let's go, AST, or nope, miss, down she goes, or undecided. Once you've voted, leave a like and a comment, and you'll see your comments start to rank on Google. Very, very useful. The Lucas Archie, better than any other financial indicator, and these are all proven very accurate recently. So let's have a quick look. I'll refresh it. I'm taking a gamble. This is happening live on the show. Only a handful of people in my show right now, so probably no more than one if I'm lucky. Let's refresh it and see what it says. Okay, refresh it live as it happens. I don't know what's going to happen. And 3 votes. Better than I thought, but great. This is what you're saying so far. 67% say no, miss, down she goes. 33% undecided. It's just been voted for the very first time. Which way is this going to go? Vote throughout the day. It will make a difference. If people see real investors are really lining up with this one, it's more likely to be a positive outcome because people are going to buy it more likely. It's a very good, useful indicator. Refresh it again, just in case. You never know. Might have got 4. No, still on 3, but there we go. So join us tonight for the ASTS, ticker symbol AST Space Mobile. It's going to be a great night. Click above my head for all the links, the event and the event itself, the Lucas Archie on our community page down below in the description. Go and check that out. Over here, you'll find the event itself, and down here, I shall put the playlist for AST Space Mobile as we do analysis, reviews, updates, interviews, meet the CEO, all those great things. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Alrighty then. Let's get out of here. Enough done today. Right. Let me scroll that out of there. Let me get out of there. How many people are waiting now? 6 people. Awesome stuff. Welcome to all our new members. I think we're done. Did we get through all the comments? Lovely to see Bill here in the show. Welcome to Bill. Please throw some insights on WBD. I don't know what that is. Is that a stock ticker? We've run out of time now. Srinivasa will be back later on this afternoon. Just saw 80 shares of Palantir. 30% gain. I think I'm going to hold out for Coca-Cola. I know. Seriously. It's proving to be very, very exciting right now. And I'm holding. I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. Will it last until the 1st of January? I can't add any more at the moment. Yes, I can on my main account, but I only use my margin for my S&P 500. I'm not going to suddenly use margin to buy Coca-Cola. It just doesn't make sense. The growth isn't going to compensate the cost of the margin. I could make a gain on it, but then I've got to sell it to reduce the margin, or the amount I've got to pay off would be too great. So it's discipline. It's very tempting to use my margin on my main account and buy 20 grand's worth of Coca-Cola. It really is. I would love to own it, but I own it through the S&P anyway. But to do it would give me extra margin, take a lot longer to pay it off. There's always the danger of rates come back up again. Don't see it, but you never know. And I'd have to sell. If I sell, I'll pay tax. I don't want to pay tax. So I'm going to wait until the 1st of January. You never know. Even if it goes up 1 or 2% from now, doesn't matter. I'll still be 3% down and reduce the margin, the position. So either way, it doesn't matter. Anyway, it's a good dip. It is a very, very good dip. Good morning, Martin. Any comment on how President Trump will address the national debt? I've no idea. Well, I've got lots of ideas, but what I think and what he says he'll do and what he actually does, as opposed to what he says he's going to do, is a completely different thing. But we've run out of time. We'll have maybe a discussion on that another day. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. It's time to go. Send everyone to the extra channel. Join me. We're live 12 hours a day. Some great videos coming out. They're great videos because I said they're great videos. So they must be great videos. Let me go back to subscribers only. Any duration. There you go. Let's bring everybody in. You got to understand my humor, right? We just let it all there. Leave it all there. Here's the extra channel. We're live there now. Let me give you the link. Extra live now. There you go. I'm going to let you go. There may be some. We're going to do Day Trade of the Day. Some videos you may have missed. I know you've missed. I put out a lot of videos. I know. SoundHound Gold. Check that. Well, 3,000 views now. That was 15 hours ago. Oh, that's done well. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, nice. 38,136. 575. Oh, 617. 33,000 views. Ooh. 3,000 people watched the gold video. See about SoundHound. There we go. That's good, isn't it? Anyway. Marvelous. Anyway, so if you did miss these videos, there's some here. I strongly recommend you go and watch this. Very few people will. They don't want to know. They just want to know it just goes on forever and ever and ever until it crashes, and then they all cry into their milk, but that's up to them. There it is, the news about Bitcoin. There's the nightmare scenario. Try and work out what's going on in this thumbnail. Spent a bit of time designing that. Look closely and you see all sorts of things. Spent a lot of time on it. NVIDIA poll. Go and check the NVIDIA poll. Analysis for Rocket Lab. News on XRP. Symbotic earnings. That's coming up tomorrow, I think. No, the 18th. 4 days' time. NVIDIA fear. Inflation. I was dead right about it, wasn't I? Inflation is a scare now. Inflation scare. There it is. No one's paying attention to it. No one wants to watch the video like that. And that's why I make it, because it's the right video to make. Don't make the videos that people want to watch. I make the videos that the people need to watch. I'm not a YouTuber. Okay, let's do Day Trader of the Day. Let's do it. Sound effects. Here we go. Let's play the button. Play it. Are you up or you down? I'm down 0.12. Down 0.12%. Let's see how we do. Christopher Shaw, are you up or you down? I don't know what 0.24 is, do I? What's the point of that? What's the point of that? 0.24 means nothing. Rubbish. RW, hello, how you doing? Down 1.2. Martin, you must be anticipating a 2 to 3x in your income in the coming months. Congratulations, you must be anticipating. I am expecting to double my income this month. Yes, I earned $1,000 on YouTube in October. Thanks to all my members. I only lost 4 members. Everyone stayed with me. Sensei, who's done work for other channels before, said, Martin, you should be very, very proud of that. You took a month off. Most channels would have lost nearly all their members. All your members stayed, apart from 4. They've come back. Now we've got more. Our views dropped off, obviously, and they've come back not where they were, higher than where they were. I am deeply humbled, proud, happy, excited about the future. I earned $1,000, $1,100 in October, and I'm expecting to earn $2,000 in November on YouTube. Absolutely right. I'm very excited about the future. Thank you to all of you. It's not because I get millions of views, it's because I make a ton of videos. I go live all the time. I do it the hard way. But I want to be live. I want to entertain people. I'd love blowout videos, but they don't come for me very rarely because people don't want the truth and people want sensationalism. I don't do it. And going live all day isn't the best way to earn money, but it's the best way for me to do the right thing. Anyway, there you go. Up 0.03, up 0.91. I was up 2.3, currently up only 0.24. PSW is in the house later. I've no idea what PSW is in the house. Maybe someone could explain that to me. Bill, I have no idea. Up 0.24. It looks like the winner is 0.91. That is Lawrence Teo from Singapore. Congratulations. Oh, yes. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Give them a thumbs up. We're loving it, loving it, loving it. We're loving it like that. That's it from me. Thank you very much for being here. You've been absolutely great as always. Who are the stars of our show today? Who gave me a super chat? Who became a member? Who subscribed? Who did something? Who got involved? Subscribers: William McMillan, Koi, Samai Villas. Members: Srini Ivasa, Long, Anoy, Dan, Jason, DJ, Evie, DJ Patriot New subscribed again, must have unsubscribed yesterday. Lawrence Teo, Stacey Bailey, thank you very much indeed for all the super chats, all the love, and all the rest of it. I appreciate it very much indeed. That's it from me. Thanks for being here this afternoon, this morning, wherever you are around the house. It's been an absolute pleasure, as it is always. The market has just turned green again. We're green again. I thought the red studio was red. Apologise for that. We're going green, and all it leaves me to say is be happy, be safe, take care of each other, and always think of this. You might want to subscribe to my music channel after you've seen this. There is the music channel in the chat. I'm trying to raise millions for charity, and this might just stir your heartstrings. Here we go.
Say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight? Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Oh, the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Thank you very much indeed. That's from me. That's it from me this morning. I wish you all the very, very best. Have a wonderful afternoon. Go and give someone a hug. Tell them you love them. Go out for a walk. Maybe have a drink of water. That seems to fix most of the problems, according to Stacey Bailey. She's absolutely right. Have a wonderful afternoon. When you see my videos come out, watch them. Watch them over again. Watch them on loop. Watch them again. And when you've watched them again, watch them again. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Join us now on the Extra channel for 12 hours a day, live streaming and support. I'll be back for the closing bell and our earnings this evening. Bye-bye for now.